Have you ever wondered about the impact of a single act of kindness? This seemingly simple question uncovers a profound truth about the power of compassion and the potential of humanitarian initiatives. Humanitarianism is not just about large-scale projects or monumental efforts. It's about the small gestures of kindness, the day-to-day actions that often go unnoticed. It's about the smile you share with a stranger, the spare change you give to someone in need, the time you volunteer at a local shelter. These acts, no matter how small, have the power to create a ripple effect in society, touching lives and inspiring others to extend their own gestures of kindness. Now, imagine this ripple effect on a global scale. According to the Global Humanitarian Overview, billions of dollars are dedicated to humanitarian efforts each year, reaching hundreds of millions of people in need. These initiatives span across cultures, borders, and backgrounds, highlighting the universal nature of compassion. They remind us that kindness is a language that everyone understands. But it's not just about the money. It's about the people behind these initiatives, their dedication, and their unwavering belief in the power of humanity. It's about the individuals who, despite their own challenges, dedicate their lives to helping others. It's about the charity organizations tirelessly working to make a positive impact, focusing not only on immediate relief, but also on sustainable solutions for a lasting impact. Transparency plays a crucial role in these efforts. It ensures that every dollar donated, every hour volunteered is utilized to its fullest potential, reaching those who need it the most. And the success of these initiatives is a testament to the power of collaboration, of unity, of collective responsibility. However, it's important to remember that the road to humanitarian success is often fraught with challenges, but these obstacles do not diminish the value of these efforts. Instead, they highlight the resilience of the human spirit, our ability to rise above adversity, and our unwavering commitment to making the world a better place. Indeed, every act of kindness, no matter how small, sets off a ripple with no logical end. It's a reminder that we all have the power to make a difference, one act of kindness at a time. Kindness. Now, immerse yourself in the heartwarming stories of individuals who have made a difference. Let's begin with Sophia, a young woman from a small town in Italy. Sophia has dedicated her life to caring for stray animals, providing them with food, shelter, and love. Her kindness has not only transformed the lives of these animals, but it has also sparked a wave of compassion throughout her community, inspiring others to lend a helping hand. Moving halfway across the globe, we find Raj from India. Raj, despite his modest means, has made it his mission to ensure that no one in his village goes to bed hungry. Every evening, he cooks a large meal and invites anyone who needs a hot plate of food to join him. The gratitude in the eyes of those he feeds is a testament to the profound impact of his kindness. Now let's turn our attention to the northern reaches of Canada, where a group of teenagers has taken on the responsibility of shoveling snow for the elderly in their community during the harsh winter months. Their simple act of kindness has made life easier for many and has fostered a deep sense of community spirit. Lastly, we journey to Kenya, where a local woman named Amina has transformed her home into a safe haven for orphaned children. She provides these children with love, care, and education, offering them a chance at a better future. Amina's kindness has not only changed the lives of these children, but has also set a powerful example for others. These are just a handful of the countless stories of kindness that occur every day around the world. From small gestures of compassion to life-changing initiatives, these acts of kindness underline the extraordinary potential of humanity to bring about positive change. They remind us that kindness isn't bound by culture, nationality, or socio-economic status. It is a universal language that reaches into the heart of the human experience, touching the lives of both the giver and the receiver in profound and lasting ways. These stories remind us that kindness is a universal language that transcends all borders. In a world fraught with challenges, charity organizations play a crucial role. These organizations, both large and small, strive to alleviate suffering and improve the quality of life for people in need. Let's consider a few examples. There are organizations that focus on providing clean drinking water to communities that lack access to this basic necessity. Through their efforts, countless individuals now have a reliable source of water, a fundamental element of life that many of us take for granted. Then there are organizations that work tirelessly to eradicate poverty. They don't just provide temporary relief, but aim to create sustainable solutions. They offer education, skills training, and small business loans to empower individuals to break the cycle of poverty and become self-sufficient. And let's not forget about those organizations that advocate for the rights of the marginalized and the voiceless. They work to change policies, raise awareness, and create inclusive spaces where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. A key to the success of these organizations is transparency. They understand that trust is earned by being open about their operations and how donations are used. By doing so, they not only ensure accountability, but also inspire confidence in their supporters. Sustainability is another vital aspect. These organizations know that achieving lasting change requires more than just immediate relief. They focus on addressing the root causes of issues rather than just treating the symptoms. This approach ensures that their impact is not just significant, but also enduring. Charity organizations also understand the power of collaboration. They often partner with local communities, other non-profits, and even corporations to amplify their impact. These collaborations not only increase resources, but also foster a sense of unity and collective responsibility. So, as we can see, charity organizations do more than just help. They transform lives. They give hope. They build stronger, more resilient communities. They spark change. With transparency and sustainability at their core, these organizations are truly making a difference. Community service projects are a testament to the power of collective action. They demonstrate how, when we pool our resources and energies, we can make a significant difference in the lives of those around us. Let's start at a local level. In our neighborhoods, towns, and cities, every day people are coming together to address the issues that matter to them. From community gardens that combat food deserts to local tutoring programs that help children reach their full potential, these initiatives are proof that you don't need to look far to find people making a difference. But the power of collective action doesn't stop at our town borders. Across the globe, communities are banding together to tackle larger issues. Take, for instance, the village in rural India that banded together to build a bridge, transforming their daily commute and enhancing their quality of life. Or consider the group of volunteers in Australia who devote their weekends to cleaning up beaches, preserving the natural beauty of their country and protecting marine life. In these instances, and countless others, collaboration is key. When different groups, be they neighbors, community organizations, or even entire countries, join forces for a shared goal, the results can be staggering. This spirit of unity and collective responsibility is what drives these projects forward, fostering a sense of community that transcends geographical boundaries. And the impact of these projects, it's immeasurable. These initiatives not only address immediate needs, but also foster long-term resilience. They empower communities, instill a sense of pride, and inspire others to take action in their own ways. These stories of local and global initiatives remind us of the incredible potential that lies within our collective action. They show us that no act of service, no matter how small, is insignificant. And they challenge us to ask, how can we use our own skills, resources, and passions to make a difference in our communities and beyond? These initiatives show us that when we come together, we can create significant change. Now imagine what we could achieve if each one of us contributed to this wave of kindness. There's a ripple effect that starts with a single act of kindness. It doesn't have to be grand or extravagant. It can be as simple as helping a neighbor with their groceries, volunteering your time at a local shelter, or even just sharing a warm smile with a stranger. These small gestures, when multiplied by millions of people across the globe, can create a transformative wave of compassion. You see, every person has the power to make a difference. You don't need to be a billionaire philanthropist or a world leader to make a mark. Think about what you're passionate about. What issues tug at your heart? Is it education, poverty, environmental conservation, or maybe something else? Find that spark within you and use it to ignite change. And remember, community service is not a one-way street. It's not just about what you can give, but also about what you can gain. It's an opportunity to learn, grow, and connect with others. It's a chance to step outside of your comfort zone and see the world from a different perspective. Starting your own community project can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start small, gather a group of friends, family, or colleagues and brainstorm how you could make a positive impact in your local community. It could be a neighborhood cleanup, a fundraising event for a local charity, or a mentorship program for young people. The options are endless, and don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Reach out to local organizations, schools, or businesses and see how you can work together. Partnership not only amplifies your efforts, but also fosters a sense of unity and collective responsibility. The potential impact of these collective actions is immense. Each act of kindness, each project, each collaboration brings us one step closer to a kinder, more compassionate world. So what are you waiting for? There's no better time to start than now. It's time to roll up your sleeves, dive in, and discover the change maker within you. Remember, every act of kindness counts. Start today and be part of this global movement towards a kinder world.